Page 24, Unit 4. When's your birthday? Lesson 1. Activity 1. Look, listen and repeat. A.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Yan.
B.
How are you?
We're fine, thank you.
C.
What is the date today, Nam?
It's the 1st of October.
D.
No, it isn't. It's the 2nd of October. Oh, sorry.
Page 24, Activity 2. Point and say.
What is the date today?
It's the 1st of October.
A.
The 1st of October.
B.
The 2nd of October.
C.
The 3rd of October.
D.
The 14th of October.
E.
The 22nd of October.
F.
The 31st of October.
Page 25, Activity 3. Listen and tick. 1.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, Miss Yan.
What's the date today?
It's the 3rd of October.
Thank you.
2.
Is it the 14th of October today? No, it's the 18th of October. Thank you, Nam.
That's all right.
3.
What's the date today, Tom?
The 20th of October.
Sorry?
It's the 20th of October.
Thanks.
Page 25, Activity 5. Let's sing. What's the date today?
What's the date today? Is it the 1st of October? What's the date today? Is it the 1st or is it the 3rd? What's the date today? It isn't the 1st, it isn't the 3rd. It's the 2nd of October.
Page 26, Lesson 2, Activity 1. Look, listen and repeat. A.
Oh, what a nice cake. Yes, it's my birthday today.
B.
Happy birthday, Linda. Thank you.
C.
When's your birthday, Mai? It's on the 5th of March.
Page 26, Activity 2. Point and say.
When's your birthday?
It's on the 1st of January.
Page 27, Activity 4. Listen and number. 1.
Today is my birthday.
Happy birthday.
When's your birthday, Nam?
It's on the 2nd of April.
2.
When's your birthday, Hua?
It's on the 6th of March.
Oh, that's my birthday too.
Really?
Yes, it's on the 6th of March.
3.
Hi, Tom. When's your birthday?
It's on the 15th of January.
Sorry?
My birthday is on the 15th of January.
I see.
4.
When's your birthday, Linda?
It's on the 26th of July.
Of June or July?
It's on the 26th of July.
Page 27, Activity 6. Let's chant. Months of the year.
1, 2, 3, 4.
January, February, March. Now it's time to start. April, May and June. Sing a happy tune. July, August, September. Let's play together. October, November and December. Remember, remember, remember.
Page 28. Lesson 3. Activity 1. Listen and repeat.
4th. It's the 4th of June.
March. My birthday is on the 5th of March.
Page 28. Activity 2. Listen and circle. Then write and say aloud. 1,
My birthday is on the 5th of December.
2,
His birthday is on the 21st of March.
3,
Her birthday is on the 16th of October.
4,
My friend's birthday is on the 30th of March.
Page 28. Activity 3. Let's chant. When's your birthday?
1, 2, 3, 4.
When's your birthday, Mai? It's on the 5th of March. When's your birthday, Mary? It's on the 5th of March, too. When's your birthday, Nan? It's on the 2nd of April. When's your birthday, Peter? It's on the 6th of May.